Today, we're diving into a classic and widely used trading strategy, the 21 EMA crossing the 200 EMA. We'll explore how the strategy works, how it performs in backtests, and whether it's worth adding to your trading toolkit. The strategy is simple and trend-based. We use two exponential moving averages, a 21-period EMA to track short-term momentum, a 200-period EMA to define the long-term trend. The entry signal is triggered when the 21 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA. That's a bullish crossover. We exit the long position, or go short if enabled, when the 21 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA. This type of strategy is great for catching long-term trends and avoiding market noise. It's often used by swing traders and even institutions. Now, let's talk about performance. Here's what we found after backtesting the strategy over a historical period. Net profit, plus 51,015 USDT. Return, plus 5.10%. Gross profit, plus 322,289 USDT. Gross loss, minus 271,274 USDT. Max drawdown, 5.75%. Open P&L, plus 5,284 USDT. Max equity run-up, plus 101,970 USDT. So, what does this tell us? The strategy is profitable, it ends in the green, but it underperforms a simple buy and hold, which returned over plus 149,000 USDT in the same period. The key benefit here is the much lower drawdown, less risk, smaller equity swings. Let's break down the pros and cons of this EMA crossover strategy. Pros: easy to understand and implement. Avoid staying in during big downtrends. Works well in trending markets. Low drawdown, so better capital preservation. Cons: lags during sideways or choppy markets. Misses the early part of trends. Underperforms in strong bull runs compared to buy and hold. So, should you use the 21-200 EMA crossover strategy? That depends on your trading goals. If you value lower risk and trend-following simplicity, this might be a great starting point. If you're more aggressive and looking for higher returns, you might consider combining this with other indicators like RSI, volume filters, or price action triggers. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading strategy breakdowns.